friends, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I filmed. I feel like when it gets warm outside, I just don't want to do anything but plant flowers and be outside. So I am inside even though it's super nice out. It's a Friday. I'm so excited to get back outside, but I am also really excited to share this box with you. You guys know I love subscription boxes. I do the Simply Earth box every month, but these kind of subscription boxes are quarterly. Well, this one specifically. And I love those too because every season I do just want like to refresh my either wardrobe or accessories, or just like get some new inspiration for the new season. So I love quarterly boxes, and this one is called Sweet July. It's by Ayesha. She curates this, or started this company. It's a magazine too, just to kind of find and inspire like wellness, happiness, and joy in the everyday moments. So that's what the theme of this is. The value is incredible. I think it's like over $100 or over $350, but also it's really affordable because I feel like other quarterly boxes are like, you know, over $100, which, you know, you are paying every 3 months, so it's not per month that much. But this one's only $75 if you subscribe, which makes it, I don't know, like $25 a month. That's really affordable, I feel like, for a really good like box of this quality. So let's open it. I didn't open it yet because I wanted to unbox it and it be a surprise. I have been on the website. It kind of, you know, they show what's in the box for this quarter, but oh, where's the sticker? Okay, so I cut it here. It kind of opens like this. I'm gonna show you so you guys can see. It's really cute. It's a big box too, as you can see. So it says Sweet July over here, and then first, see if I can kind of prop it up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. First is a magazine. This is the quarterly magazine as well. This has recipes, all kinds of like health, happiness, health, wellness. What does this say? Recipes, food and wine, money moves, which I feel like that is such a hot topic and something I definitely need help on. Like, I don't know. It says finance to crypto. I don't know what that means. I don't know all the like new things, so I'm excited about this. So some beauty, some looks like interviews, Florida, and ooh, products. I'm excited. So that's the magazine. That's her on the front. Money is power. So this is probably the investment or the money. So Elevest investing app. It's really cool. It's really important to get into that as soon as you can too. The younger you are, the better. Investing is something I never thought about in my 20s. Thank goodness Chris is really on top of it, and helps me. But it's important too to just have your own kind of thing. Like I have my own investing account. Anyways, going on a tangent there. This is Naturally Serious, which is a brand I've used before and like, so that's just a little card. But now all of the products you can kind of see. It's stuffed full of things. First is the Naturally Serious product. What is this? Hydra Plumping Mask. That sounds good. I don't remember what it was that I tried by them before, but I feel like back when I was a beauty blogger only, I was trying a lot of their products. Right, let's see. So it's a mask, Revival, Naturally Plumping, Hydra Plumping Mask. Apply a generous layer to clean, even or dry skin in the morning. Leave on for 10 minutes and then remove. We love a face mask, especially on Sundays. That's my favorite time to do masks like this. And hydrating ones, like you can't get enough of that. So that's exciting. Next is Brown Girl Jane Balance. Ooh, this is a CBD. So obviously, you know, I love CBD too. If you watch my videos, I take CBD every single day. Kind of just helps with homeostasis, inflammation, focus. It helps me a lot. It really does help balance me. It makes me feel myself more balanced. So this is 1 ounce, 30 mil, made in the USA, third-party lab tested, which is a must. CBD and essential oils too. So you shake and drop it in your tongue for 30 seconds. It doesn't say if it's like a flavor or anything. I'll try it though. MTC oil. Broad spectrum hemp, oh, and orange essential oil. So this is going to be like a little orange uplifting. I love that. Okay, let's see. It smells good. It smells like orange essential oil. Just do a couple of drops. It does taste good. I love citrus oils, are my favorite. It tastes really good. I like that. So that's awesome. If you guys are not into CBD yet or have any questions, let me know, because we are very pro excuse me, hemp and CBD. Better than Botox, Apothecary. I've heard of this brand and I haven't tried it yet. I'm excited. Apothecary with a K. So this is a supplement. Add a teaspoon of blend to empty mug. Pour on a favorite beverage, coffee, tea, milk, or water. Sip, stir, sip, and get wealthy. See what they did there. Okay, so this is, oh, it's like a little powder. It's a plant collagen dietary supplement. That's really cool. I'm very into collagen. I take it every day. This is cool though, Apothecary. I think this is the brand that has the matcha that I've been seeing the ad on for on Pinterest. I'm not 100% sure, but I really want it. It's like a green and blue matcha. I gotta look it up, but this looks really good. I'm excited to try that. Oh, sea buckthorn. One of my like favorite things in the world. Sea buckthorn. I take that almost every day in my smoothie. Okay, exciting so far, and things are like just fit just perfectly with me and what I love. This is a butter. It's 54 thrones. African butter, luscious floral notes of Egyptian lavender fields. That sounds so good. Herbaceous tones of Moroccan mint to help ultimate relaxing aroma, soothing menthol. This is just like, oh my gosh, a minty lavender lotion. Yes, please. It smells so good. I wonder if it's gonna be like a thicker, like buttery. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, a thick, creamy butter. Ooh, it's almost like a salve. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm gonna put this on my feet. Right, let me try to rub it in here. Oh, it smells so, so, so good. Ooh, it's really thick and creamy. I have a foot, it reminds me of a foot cream that I have. I love this, especially for going to bed, like putting your socks on, just getting like a deep hydration. It smells so good. It's kind of like a cocoa mint, more than like a lavender. Probably cocoa butter. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, next is Goop Beauty. Oh, I've heard a lot about these too. It's an overnight glow peel. So it's glycolic acid and fruit extracts. Juice Beauty is the very first company I ever like saw anything like this by, and it's super good for your skin. Just so like exfoliating. It's the chemical exfoliation, but just is it a mask? I'm assuming it's a mask. Yeah. Ooh, and they're pretty too. I'm excited to try these out. If glycolic acid and all these fruit extracts are super good for like antioxidants and just like refinishing, like retexturizing your skin, just like bringing a new layer of skin to the surface. I love that. I'm excited. Maybe I'll do some giveaway on some of those. There's a bunch of those in there. Okay, next is, ooh, this looks like a jewelry box. This is Gorjana. It is, I think I saw jewelry in the picture. With love from Laguna Beach. This little label in the front. Ooh, so pretty. This is like a chain link necklace. I'll take it out of the bag actually. And then, ooh, this reminds me of like my grandma. She always wore a necklace like this one. These are so pretty. It's like a good color gold too. Okay, so you can layer those. How pretty. That's so, 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 so shiny and pretty. I love them. This one has a really good, or a really cool like clasp, but I love how they're just different and you can layer them. I love layering necklaces. Set that, actually I can hang that right there. Okay, next is another little box, and then there are two big boxes left. Ooh, did I get everything out of here? Okay, this is, ooh, gratitude. I think these are little gratitude little cards that you might write on, or maybe they're already pre-written. I'm not sure. Let's see if I can open this sucker without scissors. Okay. So these are, yeah, little cards. How cute is that? you write your gratitude for the day or for whenever you need it. This is awesome. I think there is a jar in the box too that you like write your gratitude and put it in a jar. It's so important, you guys. I am just definitely guilty of focusing on the wrong things. Focusing on things that I don't have or things that I want or that I'm not good enough at, instead of just being super grateful for what I have, because I have way more than I could ever ask for. Okay, I'll do this one last because I think this goes with the gratitude. Yeah, gratitude jar. A moment of gratitude each day helps you see life in a new way. Gratitude is super powerful. I love this. I need this, actually. This is awesome. So it is this huge jar with a cool little cork top. So you just write your gratitudes on them, meditate on them, whatever you need to do to become more grateful. But I love this, and it's cute. I can just set it on like the kitchen table, really. So it's there every day so I can see it. Okay, there is one more thing and then a little booklet. So let's look at this really quick. Oh, recipes, a collection of dishes, new and old. Recipe keepsake organizer with recipe card corners. I'm gonna rip this. There we go. Okay, so it is a really cute box. On the back it says Sweet July, and it opens like this. I don't want to spill it all out. Oh, this is cute. So you can keep your recipes. There's a measurement label or table, little recipe corners for the cards, I'm assuming. And let's see if we can open it. It has labels for all kinds of recipes, so whatever type of category it's in. This is really cute. Like, you can keep this out on the counter and it's just a cute little box. Love that. All right. Okay, so this is just a little booklet. I'm assuming, yeah, it just talks more about her and the box, and then the products that we got. So gratitude jar, or write something you're grateful for each day on one of these cards, place it in the jar, and watch over time as it begins to burst with memories. And you can also see, like, as it's growing, like, look in that jar, like, there are so many things in there that I am just so grateful for. So make it a ritual each morning or night, and you'll soon find that it becomes one of your most sacred daily practices. This is going to be something really cool for the girls too, because teaching them now, like, gratitude and practicing contentment, just being grateful for what you have, is super important. So every page has something about all the products. This is a really, like, nice book too. So the jewelry, it is a layering necklace set, so that's so cute. You can see it on. The glow peel pads, recipe box, the CBD, lavender butter, better than Botox, the apothecary. I really can't wait to try that. And then you also get a free 1-month trial and $20 investing credit for Alvest, which is this company. So that's cool. I'll check that out for sure. Ooh, a happy face smoothie. So a little recipe for a smoothie: blueberries, acai, bananas, a CBD nectarine spritzer. Oh, that's so cool. So you put some of your drops of the CBD and then a few other things to make, like, a little CBD spritzer. I love that. I've never done that, and I use CBD every day. I'm doing that today. I don't have bitters. I'm gonna have to get a couple of ingredients. That's a fancy. That's so fun. And then just, like, a collection of everything. So I love this. All of it is just so me and what I needed. That's funny. So CBD, collagen, skincare, clean skincare, the butter that has the essential oils. I love this. I love her mission and purpose for this subscription box. Let me know what you guys think. Have you heard of this yet? I'll put a link to shop in the description. I'm not sure if I have a code or not, but I'll put that there if I do. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you check out Sweet July. Bye.